Example B is going to have us use our ability to factor quadratics in order to simplify rational expressions. And our rational expression here, which is kind of hard to read, is x squared plus 2x plus minus 24 over x squared plus 7x plus 6. And we are going to factor the top and factor the bottom and look to see if we have a common factor that we can cancel out of both. So remember, when we are factoring, we always put the first term in the first box and the last term in the last box. And then we need to decide what values should go in our other two boxes in order to add up to our middle term, which is 2x. So our values need to add up to 2x, but their coefficients have to multiply together to give us negative 24. Okay, so you can test out different factors of 24, but if we think about 6 times negative 4, 6 times negative 4 gives us negative 24, and 6x plus a negative 4x will give us a positive 2x, which is what we need. And then we can build outwards. So at the top corners should be x, and then we should have a 6 and a negative 4, which allows us to write this in factored form: x plus 6, x minus 4. We're going to follow the same steps on the bottom. Our top corner should be x squared. Our bottom corner should be 6. And we need to figure out what to put in the other two boxes in order to add up to 7x, but still multiply to 6. Okay, and the only way to do that is to multiply 6 times 1. So 6x plus 1x would give us 7x. And building outwards, we've got x's in the top corner, 6 and 1. So we can factor that into x plus 6 and x plus 1. And now if we have common factors, which we do, we can cancel them. So the x plus 6 and the x plus 6 are common, so we can cancel them, leaving x minus 4 over x plus 1. And you cannot simplify any further than that, so this is your final expression. Now, if you're wondering if we can really in fact do that, and you check your original equation with the new equation, you can tell that you're right, because when you graph the original and then graph the new equation, our final equation, we get the exact same graph. So that tells us we are right. Now, go ahead and do guided practice problems C and D, setting up your box or your rectangle diagram, both for the numerator and denominator, to factor, and then cancel out your common terms, common factors, in order to get your final expression. And when you are done, you can watch the next video to check your work.